it's a huge responsibility to end the innings. Like the inning was started by Dr. Subir Jain, well played by Susmita ma'am, our Virat Kohli, Dr. Trivedi saab. Right. So now it's a point of Jasprit Bumrah to have a backup. Okay. So when your opening batsman hit a 6, we feel good. But when Bumrah hit a 6, you feel great. Right? You get the maximum cheering when the last man hits a 6. So basically I am here to discuss a bit about okay. So next slide. So ये एक पहले है ना. So I can say ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी टीम है और हमारे क्लिनिक में ट्रीटमेंट होता है. So next slide. I'm here to talk about anemia and periodontics. Anemia, must have you heard so many things since morning, different types, so chronic, sickle cell, here, there, aplastic, so many different things. So I'm not going into detail about the anemia. I'll say something about periodontium. Periodontium means two words, perio and dontium. Dontium is two and around is peri, like the gums. So what is our role in the periodontium when a patient is having anemia? So a bit of things which I would like to discuss with you. A special thanks always to my wife and a very special thanks to this little man for not helping me in making this presentation. He was sleeping at that time. Okay, so next slide please. Start. It's a very good saying, you know. Our eyes cannot see what our mind does not know. So basically we should be very thankful to Trivedi sir and his team for telling about the aplastic anemia. He is our eyes to see towards the aplastic anemia. And the name itself is very fascinating. AS. AS, एक आशा, एक ज्योति, aplastic anemic patients के लिए. Aplastic anemia different. Anemia is different. हमने सर का एक पोस्टर देखा था. गुड़ चना खाओ, anemia भगाओ. That is okay. We can have a good eating. हमारे पास एक बहुत अच्छे डाइटिशियन थी जिन्होंने कुछ बताया. योगा के बारे में बहुत अच्छा बताया. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर ने बहुत अच्छी चीजें बताई. ये अनीमिक चीजों के लिए. But what about aplastic anemia? The aplastic anemia, anemia which is because of the bone marrow, because of the genetic traits. The other anemia can be treated by having a good dietetic supplements. पालक खाइए, मेथी खाइए, ये खाइए, वो खाइए, ठीक होइए. But aplastic anemia के लिए क्या? So where is our role? There is a role of a dentist. There is a role of an oral physician in this. Yeah, please. So of course anemia is a common and a serious health disorder among the group of both sexes, with being the second most prevalent anemia, ACD. Remember this word, anemia of chronic disease. So I mean to say basically the two types of anemia. Anemia of chronic disease and the aplastic anemia. The ACD is the commonest one. Can happen to anyone who is malnourished can have a ACD. Having an inflammation can have a ACD. But aplastic anemia, for that you should have some genetic trait or some bone marrow problem. Then only you will be able to diagnose. So what is required? What is required? Diagnosis. No. Early diagnosis. Early diagnosis. A patient can go to different physicians, to different doctors for different problems, and if he is not getting early diagnosis, as sir has mentioned about a child who was having a hemoglobin of 3.3, so 3.3 का एक दिन में हुआ, it has happened through a period of time, in a year, 2 years, he must have visited to his pediatrician or to some other doctors for cold, cough, here, there, but nobody has even judged for that hemoglobin part. It's the early diagnosis. Whenever you have early diagnosis, then you will be able to treat that problem. Please next. Okay, next. And the periodontitis is what? The gums disease. जिसको हम आम भाषा में पायरिया बोलते हैं, जिसमें मसूड़ों से खून आना, जो कि बहुत कॉमन है. Around 70 to 80% of this Indian population is having a periodontitis, but nobody bothers. Why? Gums से तो bleeding आता ही है. अच्छा, नहाते हो तो बॉडी से ब्लीड आता है क्या? तो वो ब्रश करने में ब्लीड क्यों आता है? कभी सोचो ना. If you don't have your bleeding while you rubbing your body with your soap, how can you get a bleeding while you just brushing your teeth? So that is an early marker that yes, you are having a bleeding. You should consult to your dentist. Next. Basically, anemia is a systemic cause of periodontitis. If you have a continuously oral bleeding, finally reaching to a less hemoglobin level, less hematocratic value, finally you will have a anemic state in your body. The same thing probably the Dr. Mukherjee had told you before. But if you have a continuously uterine bleeding right now, the female is having so many problems with this, having a continuous bleeding for a year or so something, so definitely the female is going to be anemic. The same thing happens here. I will show you one of the case report that patient was reported to the clinic, and he was having a bleeding of 1 cup per day from his mouth. Continue. Okay, so this is bleeding of gingiva. Basically, the earliest signs of gingival inflammations are the bleeding from the sulcus on slight gentle probing. Next. Keep on moving. These are basically two causes. One more, please. Local factors and systemic factors. The local factors are the plaque accumulation, or you can say the some depositions on your teeth that will reach to the irritation of the gums of the gingiva and finally reach to a bleeding factor. The systemic factors can have a different mechanism. One of them is the anemia also. Anemia or the vitamin C deficiency, that can also, because the lack of the collagen fibers or breakdown of the collagen fibers, can lead to the bleeding of the gums. Next, please. So there are some clinical features of gingivitis that you can see in your own oral cavity while you just brush your teeth. That what in US, if you say there's 82% of adolescents shows the signs of inflammation. The inflammation will reach to a bleeding gums, and 70 to 80% of population goes for gingival inflammation. And the probable answer of this bleeding is Patanjali. You can use that and you'll get it. But that is actually neither bad or not good. Being a doctor, you should always see for one thing the etiology of disease. The etiology means the why of disease. Why this disease has occurred. आज तेरे को तेरे गम से ब्लीड आ रहा है, लेकिन 3 महीने पहले क्यों नहीं आ रहा था? अभी 3 महीने में क्या हुआ जो ब्लीडिंग आया? This etiology we need to find out. This why of disease we need to find out. Then only you go with a Patanjali or Fitkarega Kulla or anything, whatever you want to do. But first find out the reason why you are having this. Once you get the answer, you will get the treatment. So how it reported as complaint of redness, some sponginess of gingiva and the bleeding on provocation. Next please. So first type of conditions basically will lead to a gingivitis or the bleeding gums. You can see a red swollen boggy gingiva in the upper portion, the black line, there is a plaque accumulation over there, there is a loop. So there is a one myth. If you clean that, the tooth will start losing. अरे बाबा clean करने से नहीं हिलेगा, वो रहेगा तो हिलेगा ना. If you have that plaque in your mouth, then only you will have a bone loss, then only your teeth will start mobile. So clean that. It's a regular procedure. वो नहाने से क्या शरीर आधा हो जाता है क्या? Clean हो जाते हैं ना. Next. Okay, next. A normal healthy gingiva seems like this, a coral pig or the pigmented. You know, this is a treatment, aesthetic treatment we did. A patient came with this black pigmented gingiva and smiling, and after surgery it looks like a coral pink color. So this is a one aesthetic surgery. But normally a normal healthy gingiva looks like this, and the gingiva and the gingiva which is unhealthy, it looks like a boggy gingiva that you saw in the last picture. Next please. Next. Okay. See, there is a study of 100 systemically healthy male patients, 50 with normal periodontitis, normal periodontium, and 50 with a chronic periodontitis. This was being held in some General, I read this study. Next, please. So in this, the clinical parameters and the RBC parameters of the patients were assessed at baseline and 6 months after the therapy. So after the 6 months, what we found that after the cleaning, after the stoppage of the bleeding, the blood parameters has increased significantly. That RBC count, that platelet value, this all got increased just after the cleaning of the periodontal therapy. Why? As Dr. Dwivedi has mentioned, हमारा पहला लक्ष्य ब्लीडिंग को रोकना. अभी जिधर से भी हो रहा है उसको रोको ना. अभी इधर से क्यों हो रहा था? क्योंकि उधर पे खूब सारा गंदगी जमा था, क्योंकि खूब सारा गम्स में स्वेलिंग था. आपने उसको हटाया, ब्लीडिंग स्टॉप हुआ, तो मेरा काम खत्म हुआ. अभी किधर से और से हो रहा है तो डॉक्टर को पूछो ब्लीडिंग कैसे रोकने का है. और अगर अलग अलग के पास नहीं जाने का तो द्विवेदी साहब के पास जाओ, सारा ब्लीडिंग रोकते हैं. Okay, move on to the next. See, the results revealed that patients with chronic periodontitis showed an improvement in both clinical and RBC parameters from baseline to 6 months just after the normal periodontal therapy. That's it. Next, please. Next. This is a case report I want to discuss you. This is the early diagnosis that will help anyone to, A case report of aplastic anemia presented as bleeding of gingiva. Next, please. A 44-year-old case patient reported with aplastic anemia to the clinic. And okay, next. The bleeding of gums, please read this here. Bleeding of gums was spontaneous and continuous. Greater frequency of bleeding was noticed in the early mornings. Bleeding occurred from all quadrants of the mouth, and the patient reported that about 1 cup of blood per day oozing from the gums. The patient reported a negative history of any rectal bleeding, hemoptysis or hematemesis. The patient had visited to a local physician 20 days back, and they prescribed as usual the antibiotics, metronidazole, vitamin C supplement and multivitamins. But that doesn't stop. Next, please. Here, the pallor in the eyes that was reshaded. Next, please. The pallor in the nails, that itself is a sign of anemia. Next, please. Here, small petechial hemorrhage that you can see onto the cheek mucosa inside that black area is looking there. Please, next. Here, there is a small petechial hemorrhages are there. These are the earlier signs that why these hemorrhages are occurring. Next, please. Here onto the tongue, you can see a black dot is present. ये तिल नहीं है ना, beauty spot नहीं है, वो petechial hemorrhage है. Okay. Next, please. Here there is a bad or intraoral condition. The gingiva has been receded down. Next, please. Here some bleeding just by provocation. They started continuous bleeding. Oh, next. Now we read the hemogram value. Revealed that pancytopenia, RBC count 1.92. Pillions, hemoglobin 6.6, TLC was 11,000, ESR was raised to 92 mm in first hour, and bleeding was more than 50 minutes. A very small find out the pancytopenia or that thrombocytopenia platelet है कि नहीं, वो BTCT चेक किया तो देखो 15 मिनट में, मतलब एक अगर bleeding टच हुआ तो 15 मिनट तक वो नहीं रुक रहा है. So that itself is a confirmation of that having a some platelet disorder in the patient. Next, please. Of course, so my work was over at that point because I was not. My work is only to just do the necessary oral prophylaxis work to make the gingiva healthy so that there won't be any bleeding. And then, of course, I had to send it to the higher center to the hematologist for this patient. Probably they must have been treated. Next, please. Next, please. Next. Next. So nothing is impossible for the man who doesn't have to do it himself. So I have nothing to do with myself. I'm always being thankful to Almighty and my parents and my teachers. And thank you to Dwivedi sir for calling me and giving me this opportunity. I just thought to put a special thanks, but I just put a one name, because that is the one name to have a special thanks for this wonderful arrangement and a conference on aplastic anemia. And yes, this ASK is an amazing name. This is giving a hope, a ray of hope, a light of hope to everybody who is having aplastic anemia, that yes, there is not only allopathy, there is different pathies, there is homeopathy that can be incorporated, and when we all do an amalgamation, as like sir has called doctors from all the specialty, and there are good amalgamation of all doctors that you can understand that these many problems are there and these many ways of treating it. Probably Subir Jain sir and madam has also given some advice for the aplastic anemic patients. Thank you.
प्रेजेंटेशन था और बहुत नॉलेज उससे मिले। प्रश्न मेरा है कि यदि प्लेटलेट काउंट 10,000 से कम है, लेस देन 10,000, और उसको दांत में कुछ दर्द है या हिल रहा है, तो उसको दांत निकाल सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं? बहुत सारे पेशेंट मुझसे पूछते रहते हैं, हालांकि मैं उनको डेंटिस्ट के पास ही भेज देता हूँ, पर उस कंडीशन में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं?
Sir, at that time, actually look after with the medical guys who are treating them. अगर उसका उसी समय प्लेटलेट काउंट इंक्रीज हुआ है, अगर उनका ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन हुआ है या प्लेटलेट का ट्रांसफ्यूजन हुआ है, उस समय उनका प्लेटलेट काउंट ऊपर की तरफ आया हुआ है, उस समय हम उनको ट्रीटमेंट ले सकते हैं विद इन द स्पान ऑफ फ्यू डेज, जब तक कि प्लेटलेट काउंट अगेन नीचे नहीं जा रहा है, उस समय ट्रीट करके हम हमारा काम वहां फिनिश कर सकते हैं. बट अ गुड टेलीफोनिक टॉक और ऑन टू द पेपर वी हैव अ गुड टॉक विद द मेडिकल गाइज, जो कि उनका उस समय ब्लीडिंग कंट्रोल के ऊपर काम चल रहा हो, क्योंकि समय उनका ट्रांसफ्यूजन हुआ होता है या फिर प्लेटलेट उनके ऊपर किए होते हैं, है ना पाल साहब? ऐसे कुछ होता है ना? जी जी. तो उस समय आपका रेज हो जाता है, तो जिस समय रेज हुआ है उस समय हम एबल हैं उसको ट्रीट करने के लिए, क्योंकि उस समय क्लॉटिंग मिल रहा है. अदरवाइज तो 15 मिनट का क्लॉटिंग सिर्फ एक पिन लगाने पर, तो यहाँ पर तो फिर so this